Hey guys, it's Angie. Now you've gone and ordered all these straws for all of your different size tumblers. Now where on earth are you gonna keep them? Well, that's where this little thing comes in handy. It arrives vacuum sealed. We'll just pop it on out of here. And you have a nifty little straw organizer. Now both of these have little sticky pads on the back, so it'll go inside of a cabinet door, on the side of your refrigerator, wherever you really want to put it. This is food grade silicone, no BPAs, and it's soft and flexible. Because it comes in two parts, you can make it as large or as small as you want to. And they really thought of everything because it even has drainage holes in it. I hope y'all can see that. There you go. So you don't have to worry about this thing catching all kinds of water while your straws are draining if you put them in there wet. And it's not just for straws. You can put your brushes in there. You can put chopsticks in here. There's a whole variety of things that you could use this for. So right now my straws have been residing right in here. We're gonna fix that. We'll just take off our backing. I'm gonna put it right there and press that on. And the other piece, we'll do the same thing with the other piece. We're gonna put that right, let's say right there. It's that easy to install. And this is our finished product. Won't be any problem to reach in there and grab exactly the straw that I want.